Hi everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. My name is Ram. I'm DevOps and Cloud Trainer. Yeah, yesterday we have started new batch, which is 78 batch, DevOps plus AWS plus Linux. Yeah, yesterday we discussed about DevOps introduction. Yeah, what is DevOps, why the project teams are looking for automation tools, what is automation, we discussed, right? Yeah, today we discussed about technical questions and general questions, yeah, which are very, very important. So those who are not attended today's session, you'll get the recording session. Yeah, you can go through the recording session and you can continue from tomorrow. So from tomorrow onwards, regular sessions will be started. Yeah, tomorrow we are going to discuss about cloud introduction. What is cloud, why the project teams are looking for cloud. So what are the advantages of cloud, what is cost saving. So these are very, very important. So from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start regular sessions. So from tomorrow, don't miss the session. So if you are interested, you can register today and you can add into WhatsApp group. Already WhatsApp group created and people are added into WhatsApp group, right? So from tomorrow onwards, regular sessions will be started. Fine. Yeah, thank you all.